Welcome to episode 1 of I Did It So You Don't Have To, a guide to buying the right wigs that you can stop wasting your money. So I've been doing this for about 7 years and I'm going to show you exactly what not to do when buying a wig. So before you make that purchase, let's walk through this together. I promise you guys by the end of this video, you're going to feel so much more confident about your wig choice, and best of all, you'll be keeping that money in your pockets, right where it belongs. So before we get started, I do want to point out that this unit is from South African. I love their hair. They mostly provide human hair, I believe, and the texture and the lace and everything is usually A1. Now, if you are not a person that knows how to do anything with wigs, that's when an investment comes in. This is higher priced than a synthetic wig, but it is worth every dollar because even if you are a beginner, you don't really have to do much plucking. You can take it out the box and still put it on your head just like this and just cut the lace. So real talk, what is the purpose of your wig? Are you looking for something to spice up your everyday look? Maybe you might be having a special occasion coming up and you just want an extra oomph. Or maybe you're dealing with hair loss and you want a wig that feels as natural as possible. I learned the hard way that not all wigs are created equal. There are so many types. You have synthetic, you have human hair, you have a lace front, you have a full lace. And let's not even get into the textures because there are so many options there. But I'm gonna put this into the perspective of my mom and family members when they are ordering a wig. And I'm saying that because I wear wigs, but I like to wear more leave out hairstyles. So I think it would be more realistic to use my family as an example. But I have to always ask them, like, what do you want the wig for? Is it an everyday look? Is it day to day? Do you want something that could go from sleek and polished to a full-on glam when needed? I think once you know why you're buying, it narrows down your choices and it saves you from making a horrible purchase. Trust me, I have been there and I have witnessed it. Step 2, the hair type, synthetic versus human hair. Now, here's where most of us get tripped up, and I think it's a price thing. People always try to buy the cheapest wig, which ends up being synthetic, but I'm telling you guys, it is a big mistake. You want to opt in for human hair. With synthetic hair, within days, it's going to be a tangled mess, and I promise you, you're going to spend more money trying to revive it or buying new wigs than actually enjoying it. Now, if you're new to wigs, synthetic might be appealing because of the price, and I get it. But if you're looking for longevity, and especially if you want to be able to heat style it, human hair is where it's at. It's an investment, but it's where it's at. I prefer to wear wigs from brands like South African because they offer a lot of human hair options with a lot of versatility. So if I wanted to wear my hair wet and curly like this wig, I can do that. They have straight hair. I could also straighten this wig with a flat iron on the hottest heat if I wanted to, and it would still keep its quality. I say think of it like buying a quality handbag. You want something that lasts, that makes you feel good every time you wear it. And I remember when I finally caved and bought my first human hair wig, and girl, let me tell you, it definitely changed my life. No more tangling, no more frizzing in the rain, and it just moved like it was my own hair. It had more body, it looked more natural, literally worth every penny. I hope you've been keeping up. We're on step 3, lace front versus a full lace wig. Here's another thing that kept me tripped up for years. I used to think that a wig was just a wig, right? Wrong. Let me break it down. So a lace front wig has only lace at the front, like this unit that I'm wearing, which means you get that super natural looking hairline, which we love. However, if you want to throw your hair into a ponytail or wear updos, the back can give you away. You can't do that. Now, a full lace wig, on the other hand, has lace all the way around, giving you the flexibility to part it however you like and wear it in any style you choose, up, down, or somewhere in between. Also, with the full lace wig, you can wear high buns, you can braid it, you can part it down the middle. I mean, you have so much more freedom. However, I prefer a lace wig because I feel like it's less maintenance. So which should you choose? If you're only looking to wear your hair down and keep it simple like me, a lace front will do the job beautifully. But if versatility is important to you like it was to me, a full lace wig will give you endless possibilities. So it's definitely a personal preference and what you plan on doing with your unit. Step 4, color and texture. Choose wisely. I cannot tell you how many times I've gotten excited over a wig or bundles only to have it arrive and realize that the color was all wrong for me. The key here is to understand your undertone. Are you warm, cool, or neutral? This is especially important when you're experimenting with blonde reds or even bold purples or blues. The texture is equally as important. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of where I used the same exact wig 6 months later and I pushed the wig behind my hairline, right? I wanted to get the most wear of this unit and the texture matched my hair perfectly. However, if you don't want to wear any hair out in the front and you want to put the lace directly on the skin, I would say texture is important. If you're used to sleek, straight hair, don't assume you'll love wearing a curly wig. Step 5, invest in a wig that matches your lifestyle. So we're all busy women and no one has time to be detangling wigs every morning. So when I finally invested in a high quality human hair wig that matched my lifestyle and how active I was, I literally felt like I unlocked a new level of ease. So for example, this wig is perfect for the girl who wants to get up and go, maybe put her hair in a low bun or a low ponytail when she's working out, but the maintenance on this unit is just so minimal, and I think that is something to really heavily consider. I can go days without putting products on my hair and the hair will not swell, which we love. So here's why the right wig matters. I know buying a wig isn't just about hair. It's about how you feel when you wear it. When I finally find the right wig, I feel so much more confident. I feel like myself. And I think that's why it's worth doing your research and investing in something that makes you feel amazing every time you wear it. So in conclusion, stop wasting your money. Here's the bottom line. You don't have to waste hundreds or even thousands of dollars on wigs that don't serve you. I want you to find the wig that suits your purpose and invest in quality, okay? And make sure it fits your lifestyle. So stop wasting your money on cheap, quick fixes that'll leave you frustrated. Girl, you deserve better, and the right wig will have you looking and feeling your absolute best. This is me the next day. This is how I went to bed. I just put my hair into 4 braids. I'm not usually one to like braid my hair in 4, but this is a lot of hair, guys. So we needed to be able to manage it. And then we're gonna just go ahead and unbraid the hair. I was getting ready to do a tutorial and I was like, oh my God, let me show you guys how it looks when I've unbraided it. Now, usually with curly hair, I like the curl pattern that comes with the curly wig. So I never really braid my hair because it changes it, as you can see, but it's so pretty. I love it. All the information on this unit will be down below in the description box. I have everything linked for you guys. Love this wig, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I did it, so you don't have to. Now go get your perfect wig because you got this.